In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your device, and what you're going to want to do is tap on that profile icon down in the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, go ahead and select the three lines up in the top right corner and select Account Center up at the very top, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down a little bit, find the account settings, and select Personal Details. From here, go ahead and tap on the setting for account ownership and control, and then tap deactivation or deletion and select whatever account you would like. In this case, let's choose this Instagram account. And from here, go ahead and make sure that you have deactivate account selected and hit continue. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, which is going to tell you what exactly you're going to lose access to. Go ahead and hit continue. And go ahead and type in your password and then give Instagram a reason that you want to deactivate your account. After doing that, you'll have to tap deactivate account one more time at the very bottom, just to confirm, and your Instagram account is now going to be temporarily deactivated. Now, you can come back to this at any point and reactivate it just by logging back in. But if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.